So, today, we're in my front yard, and I got Chris here, finally, after like 2 weeks. He usually comes over every week, and I got my rare RC. So, I'm going to let Chris work the camera. Look at the screen so you know where the freak it's going. Hey! That's what I always do. So you got to point at the RC car, every once in a while, point it at me or whatever.
Okay.
Alright, let's set something up. Come on over here. What we're gonna do, it's a fully charged battery in there, so set up my little bridge. There we go. Take barely right there. Alright, Chris. Camera work, seriously. Oh, crap. I was actually going to hit you. Oh, crap. Back up! Woo! Alright, Chris, come on over here. Alright. Ready? Here the car's coming. Go!
That shit's gonna get ran over.
How's that? That drifto!
Oh.
Alright, Chris. Let's do a car cam. I've done car cam before, don't worry. God. I've already made like a whole 20-minute video of car cam. And only car cam. Hey, run inside your stuff on the Oh my gosh! Sorry! You're under a car! Sorry. Why were you under a car? Another car cam. Oh, shoot. Yo, my lens. It's not affecting the video if my lens is fucked up. Sorry, Pete. Got ran over. There we go. More bad car cam. Chris! Car cam! Car cam! So, get the duct tape. Alright, can we drive it to church?
Yeah.
Alright. Hold the camera while I duct tape the camera in place. Here,
Put it in front.
Do you have the memory thing for that off my table?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we don't want too much. We want to make sure it's like
you want to
right.
make a different video then?
Yeah.